I got out of the Air Force, got my real estate broker's license, but I didn't go out to sell houses. I went out to buy houses and then remodel them and sell them. That's what I did. And whenever I'd go out and buy a house, I would look at it and I'd have it in my mind of what it was going to look like when I was done with it. And then I would go out and I would do that. And I actually went in behind the dryers and I was screwing all the gas pipes together and it just the whole works. I was not going to fail. I never even thought about it. I just did it. And that's what this has got to be. You just got to put your mind to something and don't think about failure, and you just got to get it done. I like what Earl Nightingale says, persistence is faith. And if you got the faith in yourself and following directions, you can do this. Believe me. I've lived like that all my life. I've always put my mind to do something and I would get it done. And that's what I would do. Failure is not an option here. Just do it. That's all I got to say. And I thank you, Vic, for putting this together so that others can follow your plan. It's absolutely awesome. Hats off.
Number one, how do you create multiple streams of income? You can create multiple, you can promote as an, I'm going to assume that I don't have a product, right? How would I do it? I would, if you're asking questions, I'm not going to answer your questions now. I will be answering your questions a little bit later on. Okay? Okay. Multiple offers. Okay? So number one, what I can do is I can focus on creating multiple offers. So what that means is I can promote, I can promote different offers and I can promote different products, sending traffic or creating different funnels to different products. Great, right? And so these are individual standalone offers, standalone products. Okay? You can do that, and it will work. As the thing with this right here is, this is my thinking. Again, this is my show, and I can tell you what I think. Doesn't mean that it's 100% like true, and this is how you should follow this. It's going to be up to you, right? So you take this for what it's worth. Hopefully, the information I'm going to share with you is the information or the ideas or the strategies I implement that I have implemented for myself. This is how I think. This is my thinking kind of process and what I believe and what I stand for. And it served me really, really well over the years. Okay? And that is this. When I promote offers, whatever offer I'm promoting, all right, I typically want to own or use the product that I'm promoting. Okay, somebody will tell you, you don't have to own the product because you're an affiliate. Like Walmart doesn't own all the products, but they still sell it. Amazon doesn't necessarily own all the products, but they sell it through the platform. My question or my answer to you is, are you comparing yourself to Walmart or Amazon, right? And it's obviously you cannot compare yourself to Walmart or Amazon. So as an entrepreneur, somebody who is starting out, it's very, very important in my experience, you guys. I'm telling you from my experience. Okay, take it for what it's worth. It's very important for me. It was a lot easier for me to sell products that I used or owned, okay, that I paid for, and I had much more success promoting those, okay, when I was doing this. Now, I did not do this a lot, okay. Typically, what I wanted to do is this: I wanted to have an offer, which is a way number two. Okay, let's say I want to have an offer, main offer, plus. I want to have these supplemental, symbiotic, supplemental. I want to word it correctly here for you. Again, this is just me thinking out loud here. They got to be, instead of not even supplemental. Okay, it's got to be friction-free. Okay. Supplemental offers. Okay, for example, this is important. This is how I can have this, okay, my main deal, and I can create this. Very, very simple. I'm going to show you. Right? For example, if I create right, if I sell a coaching, okay, if I sell coaching that teaches people, or I create a simple look, how difficult is this? Okay, not very difficult. So what you do is whatever opportunity. Let's say this is your main deal, okay? Whatever that main deal is. There's other companies, there's whatever you might be promoting out there, right? So what you do is is you really, really understand what you promote, okay? A lot of people are promoting whatever they're promoting and they have no clue the ins and outs, the leverage, the key levers that they can pull for that, for that business. Where is the lack? So find the lack in that opportunity, okay, that you're promoting, especially like in trainings or tools, okay? Trainings or tools, important, okay? Hear this out. So this is your main deal, your main opportunity. You're making your bread and butter money here. Do you realize that when you add this right here, okay, you can friction-free supplemental offers, right? You can make more money from picks and shovels here than you do with your main deal, okay? If this is gold diggers here, okay, opportunity like back in the day where they dug gold, gold rush days, right? People that made more money actually than the gold diggers were the people who were selling picks and shovels, right? Study history, that's what kind of happened. So this is what I'm looking for. So with the main offer plus friction-free supplemental offers approach, I would identify missing pieces, okay, that people on my team, okay, never ever ever like never raid other people's team, like never be the kind of guy who or a gal who kind of goes behind other affiliates' backs and tries to lure the other people from other teams or whatever into your into your deal, okay? Be genuine, be straight up with people, but this is how you can grow. Okay, business is a game that you should play to win, not to compete or not to lose. Okay, a lot of people, hear this out. This is a big idea. A lot of people lose in this game, especially creating multiple streams of income, is because they're playing not to lose instead of playing to win.
Hi, I'm Sherry Cincioli, and I just wanted to share with you the amazing results that I am achieving through the 4% Challenge. I joined the challenge in the middle of February, and it's an internet-based training platform, and it's designed for entrepreneurs who want to become great entrepreneurs. It works for any space, for any business. It teaches you everything you would ever need to know to become a highly successful person in your space. And so I started this challenge in the middle of February, and I was a little apprehensive, not quite sure how things were going to pan out. Because you see, I've tried many different businesses and training platforms and invested thousands upon thousands of dollars into things that yielded absolutely no results. And to be honest, I didn't know if this was really going to be the right fit for me. So I started day one. You go through the challenge and you get what's called a daily success pill. So you start, and it's a combination of videos that you watch. There's challenges throughout, and there's action steps that you have to take. And a lot of it is just really focusing on your mindset. So for the first week, it is just very intensive getting the right mindset. And I realized through the course of this week that previously I never really had the right mindset. I kind of joined something, started out for a couple of days. If I wasn't starting to see some kind of result, wanting that instant gratification, if that wasn't happening, then it just wasn't the right fit for me. With this program, I've gone through, and as I said, I started in the middle of February, and I'm taking those daily success pills, and I'm continuing on. You work at your own pace. You get a new pill each day to take, and it has videos that you listen to, and you actually get a lot of coaching sessions with your mentor, and he is an amazing person, very inspirational, achieving astronomical results, living the kind of life that I want to live, being able to leave a legacy for his family. That is exactly what I want to be able to do for my family. So I started this challenge, been taking my daily success pills, doing exactly what he's been telling me to do. And I've learned and accepted that when he tells me something, I believe it, and I'm going to follow through. I'm not going to do it my way. I'm going to do it his way, because after all, he's receiving success in his life. I want to have that level of success in my life. So I'm going to model exactly what he's telling me to do. And I have grown my business. I've created solo ads. I've built a list. I have almost 200 subscribers on my list, which I'm just amazed at. And I've created solo ads. I've gone into ClickFunnels and actually built out several landing pages of my own. I've been able to run traffic to these different pages. I started building my own website. I have gone so far outside my comfort zone that it's unbelievable. And I can honestly tell you that you start living once you get outside your comfort zone, because amazing, and I am not kidding, amazing things will happen to you when you do. So today, I was very pleasantly surprised when I went out to my mailbox and this was waiting for me. I couldn't believe it. I'm like, oh my gosh, this is amazing. Unbelievable. And that's my second paycheck. And I am so thrilled and so blessed and so thankful for this challenge. So if you're looking for something that will give you true results, but you've got to be willing to put in the work. This is not a done for you push button program. Those things don't really exist. And you're not going to receive the type of success that you want to have. This teaches you how to build you, how to build your brand, how to grow and develop as a person, how to become the best version of yourself. And you'll just be amazed at all the incredible things that are going to happen and take place in your life. It's going to transform you into a totally new person. It's unbelievable. All I can say is that I'm honored, that I'm blessed, and I'm very humbled to be part of this group. So if you too want to take a look, check it out. I have a link listed below here, below the video. Just take a quick peek, try it out. You won't regret it. Invest in yourself, develop yourself, and you can truly become all that you were designed to be. Have an awesome day.